this is what you pay for. Not this extra water,
They
dirty water, but this is what you pay for. And now, you see?
So cool.
One more time. This is what you pay for. Mosko Moto.
We love it. He says, I am the boss. So I go here and I don't know what to say. So
Just say you are the boss, it's enough.
I am the boss.
Exactly.
And I love this because it's stress-free and it doesn't keep you in the sun, tightening the bags on the motorcycle. It's easy, but not that easy because Vlad should do it. For me, it's a little bit.
Oh,
See?
you did it, babe.
Oh my God! And they are empty.
They are empty.
This is easier now.
So the thing is, yesterday we did a hardcore trail, and you
My
basically
arms are left.
you got no more energy left for a week, something like that.
Yeah,
It was,
something like that.
It was hardcore enduro basically what we did, and she carried the panniers.
Yeah, so I have more experience when we will do off-road, probably Russia or any other country off-road with the bags on.
Exactly, and we also, they were full, so
Yeah. So yeah, they are pretty heavy because even like that, empty, they weigh like probably how much? 10 kilos or
yes, in
around?
total about 10 kilos.
10
yes.
kilos. We have also this side
The ox box, yes.
ox box.
2 ox box, one for each.
They
Yes.
became pretty dirty because yesterday on the off-road, first time when we used them was on the off-road. So yeah, poor them. But
We did a bit of baptized, how do you say that?
yeah, something like that, which was pretty good.
With a few bike drops. But this is what we wanted to show you guys, how the Mosko Moto's backcountry panniers 35, this is
Exactly.
the 35 liters, looked on our Honda CRF300 Rally.
Also, you can make them
Obviously,
little
yes,
bit full.
they know. So here they are.
Yeah. For me, what I think, they are perfect for this Honda. You know, in size. I mean, they
Yes.
are not too big.
Exactly.
And big enough when you go camping.
Well, we can
outdoors.
understand if you don't want them because they are heavy,
Yeah.
and you go for a different setup. We just want the ease of use, and we want durability. This is why you pay for Mosko Moto.
Exactly.
We got this on a bit of an offer. We did save a few bucks on it, so that's why we bought them. And
Was a good deal.
what we love, and I noticed from the start, they don't sit very low. Actually, they sit high. You see?
This is very good for off-road because so many times with the old ones we catch different branches.
Exactly, and
you can
even
break
more.
them.
So, babe, on your bike that is lowered because her bike is lower.
With 6 centimeters.
Exactly, compared
So
to the
6 centimeters
success.
matters.
Yes, it does, and we love them.
Yeah, we do.
They do
They are
not
impeccable, and even the color, because this was the color at the offer.
yes.
One guy bought it and he did not use them because were too big for his motorcycle.
He said.
He said, yeah.
So that's why.
So they are ours now, and we love them. Oh my God, I wish so much to have Mosko Moto.
Yes, and what did you not notice earlier? And you said you love. What did you do with them? You wash them.
So I said, oh babe, I regret that you were not first time there when I washed them, because as soon as the water touched the bags, they were clean. I don't know, it was like a magic wipe, you know?
So I'm not sure if they have, but you know, they put on clothes, on waterproof clothes. It's DWR, it's called. It's like water repellent substance solutions, you know, and they spray them. And maybe that's why it helps with the waterproofness. I don't know if they apply this to these bags, but this plastic, it's hard plastic, and the material, it's Cordura style. I don't know how it's called, and you know, they are
they are pretty unwashed here because
they were closed, yes.
yeah, they were closed.
Obviously.
And but
the
here,
rest, yes.
otherwise it was clean, like perfectly from the first water touch. It was
Okay,
they
guys,
were
so,
impeccable.
yes, if you contemplate about getting them or not for your smaller bike, this is our Honda CRF300 Rally. This is what they look like. We love them. They are not big. We are the kind of persons who appreciate comfort and more space available than needed.
Sure.
Than the other way around, you know.
Yeah.
Wanting for more and not having. So you don't have to fill them to the brim, and yes,
Perfect.
they'll do a perfect job. You buy this and you buy them for life.
True.